Another quick trade ideas video here, and this is geared again towards some of the chart trading and relative strength from the open scans with our stock racing here. I like to highlight this, especially for people that are newer to the world of technical analysis and trading. So, if we look at ATOM here on this daily chart, we've got a big breakaway, got a little bit of room up to $9 here. Don't know where it could go after that, obviously. But, if you're testing things and, we have a simulator, you click on a buy here. And let's say, we take out high of the day by a penny or two. You could put an order here on the chart that, auto-populates a stop as well. If we don't like to stop, we can adjust that within the strategy itself, and we can adjust it right on the charts as well here. So, I just like to highlight these things, especially for people that are newer to the market. You really get your practice in, really test some trading strategies, really test some trading plans. And of course, for the veterans out there, we can connect directly to IBKR or E-Trade. Any other questions or comments, always hit us at info@trade-ideas.com. Thank you.